Hello, Supermom. Meet Supermom Sarah. She used to heat food in a bowl of hot water, which was messy and time-consuming. Then she tried using a microwave, but it can create hot spots, which are dangerous for her baby and destroys essential nutrients. She just loves using the Trumom Baby Bottle Warmer, food heater, and sterilizer. Let's see how she does it. Sarah puts the bottle in the warmer, pours milk into the bottle. Place the teat on the bottle and rotate the knob to heat or warm it. To heat up food, Sarah pours water into the warmer. She puts food in a bowl and places it in the warmer, then turns the knob to heat food. Sarah can also sterilize baby nipples and small toys by putting them in the warmer and then pouring water in it. Then rotate knob to sterilize. Can you see it's very simple? Yes, just like nursery rhymes. Trumom Bottle Warmer operates as a 3-in-1 machine, which helps in milk warming, food heating, and sterilization by complete elimination of bacteria. Trumom Bottle Warmer is the easiest, fastest, and most efficient way to get feeds ready for your baby whenever and wherever required. Be like Supermom Sarah. Get the Trumom Baby Bottle Warmer, food heater, and sterilizer now.